Here I'm going to show you why I have this piece of foam noodle on my water line. Because sometimes you notice if you turn the tap on and off, it makes a knocking sound. It's most likely the line is touching another metal or your cabinet underneath, which causes this sound every time you turn it on and off, because there's some vibration. So to avoid that, just take a piece of noodle and put it right in between here, and as you see, you cut the noodle here so you can thread it on the pipe. Put it like that, and it is going to stop making that noise. Simple as that. Enjoy. Subscribe and like, please.